My name is John, and welcome to my tutorial on Xamarin.Forms. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about how to pass parameters between pages. So that is passing parameters from one page to another is actually a big necessity in everything you're doing. We have to pass parameters from one page to another. So today I'm just going to run you through in less than 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and we're going to be done with this. Okay, so I created my new project, and I have one page, parameters page.xaml. So I'm going to add another page. Add new file. mm, forms forms content page xaml new page. That's not the spell. New page, new page. Okay, okay, I want to close this. So we have parameters page, and we have all of these things. So get a preview of. So I'm just going to add a new button. Switch page, and I'm going to give it a click handler. Okay, so when we click our button, we're going to open our new page. Navigation dot push async new parameters page. Okay, so our bonus should take us, but first of all, we have to wrap our app in a navigation. I wrap our app in navigation. So main page is equals to new navigation page. Okay, this will allow us to navigate from one page to the other. So parameters page, we have show my button, show my button. Okay, so now so when we're passing to the next page, in the constructor is where we're going to pass our parameter. So let's pass a parameter and say, and call it parameter. Parameter. This is a string parameter. So it's going to complain. Uh, what's it complaining of? Okay, it's complaining because here, new page, not parameters page. What's the complaint? So because the new page, the constructor, there's nothing. So now we're going to add this constructor to have string parameter. Okay, so these are parameter returning. We're going to display. So in our new page, let's have, do we have a label? We'll add a label. We give it a name of label. Okay, so when we pass our parameter to our page, we call our label.text equals to parameter. Okay, so we're good to go now. Let's run this and see. Yep, this is no longer complaining because we are giving it what it needs. So it is happy. So we have just one big button. Now let's see, no, not iOS, Android. Let's run this and see how it looks. It's building, it's building. Okay, while it's building, let's give our breakpoints. New page, cs. I'm going to put a breakpoint here. Now that being said, okay, we can have multiple constructors. So we could have the one that doesn't take any variable. We can have another one that takes in two variables. New page, let's see, arg1 int arg2. So you can have as much as multiple constructors. So if you have a dynamic page, then you can pass it different types of values and to render differently. Okay, so our app is up now. Let's see this work in action. It's our first time, so it's going to take a while. Cannot assign property point does not exist. This is where is this coming from? Content property does not exist. It should be in our first page. Parameters page. Mm, content property does not exist. Where is it getting content property from? Okay, okay. Extra stuff. If you have XAML compilation, it should have detected that during build. Okay, let's see this run again. And hopefully this time it shouldn't fail. I'm really hoping it shouldn't fail because I'm running out of time. I said 5 minutes. Don't fail, don't fail, don't fail. And it did not fail. Okay, so there's our main button. So if you switch page, now these are our parameter we pass from here in the constructor called parameter. The value is parameter rather. So in the new page, it's going to receive that and it's also parameter. So there we go. And where's my emulator? There is our variable. So as I was saying, you can have multiple construction with different variables being passed to it. So this one has a string and an integer. So if I were to pass a string and an integer, it will call the second one. So string and 2. So you see, there are three constructors actually: empty, one with string, and one with int. So this works for different kind of pages. Whatever that inherits from content page will work with this. Master detail page, tag page, whatever and ever, it will work. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have requests, do let me know and I'll probably make a video about it. Thank you. See you next time.